we are given an equation. H is equal to square root of 18 minus 7h. And we have to find the value of h. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We can copy down this given equation and then take the square on both sides. Square and square root, they are gone, leaving us with h squared equal to 18 minus 7h. Then we can transfer. This becomes h squared plus 7h minus 18 equal to 0. And this becomes h squared plus 9h minus 2h minus 18 equal to 0. H squared and 9h, h is in common. We can factor them. H times h plus 9, then minus 2h and 18, 2 is in common. So it's 2 times h plus 9 equal to 0. And this becomes h plus 9 times h minus 2 equal to 0. Let me go ahead and equate both of these binomials to 0. H plus 9 equal to 0. H minus 2 equal to 0. Our h here is equal to minus 9 and positive 2. We still have one last step. Verify if these variables will result in a true solution. Let's start with minus 9. Our h is minus 9. Then square root of 18 minus 7 times minus 9. Minus 9 is equal to square root of 18. Minus 7 times minus 9 is plus 63. And minus 9 is equal to square root of 81 equal to 9. So this h plus 9 equal to 0 and h equal to minus 9 is rejected, as it will result in a false expression, false statement. How about if our h is equal to 2? Let me go ahead and plug it in. 2 is equal to square root of 18 minus 7 times 2. It is equal to square root of 18 minus 7 times 2 is 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. And 2 is equal to 2. This is a true expression, true statement. So our h is equal to 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.